How to use new time management feature in YouTube. Now, if you want to use the new time management feature in YouTube, you just simply need to open the YouTube app and tap into your profile icon from the bottom right corner. And once you tap in there, you are going to see your setting icon from the top right corner. Tap into that and you are going to see the option of time management. Now, if you cannot see this option, you must update your YouTube to the latest version in order to get this. Now open time management, and from here you can keep track of how many minutes have you watched YouTube today and in last 7 days, and you can set reminders for when it's time for bed and when it's time to take a break. Or you can set daily limit for shorts, which is the most useful feature in this platform YouTube time management section. Just simply tap to limit daily short feed and you can set it to all the way from 0 to 2 hours, and this is how you can manage your time in YouTube. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.